Across Ethiopia's capital Addis Ababa, mushrooming construction sites point to an emerging middle class. But many are struggling to adapt to a new reality of big malls and expensive retail spaces. The traders of Addis's famous open-air Mercato market have seen a steady reduction in the size of the space they use to sell their goods, leaving some worried that they may soon lose out as massive shopping centers nearby replace stalls at the market. With over 13,000 traders, Mercato is the largest open market in Ethiopia and provides a popular shopping stop for customers on the hunt for the lowest prices for all sorts of goods, ranging from agricultural produce to hardware and beyond.
Yes, there has been a change in the country, and there is a change. This is interesting. However, people have to change with it. For instance, it's very difficult for me to rent a shop in one of these big buildings because the rent for a shop is at least $500. My income simply cannot allow me to afford that.
The government's plan to modernize Mercato involves bringing down old shops and putting up malls, which they say will be better and safer business facilities. But some of those who are already renting space say their business expenses have gone up considerably and are now forced to pass the costs on to customers.
When the rent goes up, the price of goods also goes up. That is a must. That is what business owners always do to sustain their businesses. We increase the price of goods when the rent goes up and increase the prices when the rent is lower.
The head of Addis Ketema subcity, an executive council tasked with the development of the capital, says the improved facilities are attracting a lot of interest and that the government plan to revamp infrastructure and investment will boost economic growth.
As you can see, a lot of previously filthy areas in Mercato are being developed. We are seeing new buildings coming up in these places. This comes as a result of a joint effort between the government and investors. So far, up to 60 share companies are constructing their buildings in Mercato. Some have finished and some are still in progress. It doesn't stop there. There are a lot more that are soon going to start constructing more malls.
The equilibrium of Ethiopia's economy is delicate. Privatization policies such as the one that has seen Mercato shrink steadily have huge potential to increase earnings and quality of life for former open market traders. But they could just as well rob them of their livelihood and add to the number of Ethiopia's urban disenfranchised. Ethiopians will now hope that their government does not slip in its performance of this crucial balancing act. Simon Bouvier, CCTV.